Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to start a Cricut business and make money with your machine. If you're looking for a way to turn your passion for crafting into a profitable business, then this video is for you. What is a Cricut business? A Cricut business is a business where you use your Cricut machine to create and sell products. This could include anything from custom t-shirts and mugs to handmade jewelry and home decor. Cricut machines are incredibly versatile, so there are endless possibilities when it comes to what you can create and sell. Why start a Cricut business? There are many reasons why starting a Cricut business is a great idea. First, it's a relatively low-cost startup. All you need is a Cricut machine, some basic materials, and a little bit of creativity. Second, Cricut businesses are very scalable. You can start small and scale up as your business grows. Third, Cricut businesses are relatively easy to run. You can create and sell products from the comfort of your own home. How to start a Cricut business? To start a Cricut business, you'll need to take the following steps. 1. Choose a niche. What kind of products do you want to create and sell? It's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a good market. 2. Invest in a Cricut machine. There are many different Cricut machines available, so choose one that's right for your needs and budget. 3. Purchase materials. You'll need to purchase materials such as vinyl, iron-on, paper, and other craft supplies. 4. Create your products. Once you have your materials, you can start creating your products. Be creative and have fun with it. 5. Set up your shop. You'll need to set up a shop where you can sell your products. This could be an online shop, Etsy shop, or even a brick-and-mortar store. 6. Market your business. Once your shop is set up, you need to start marketing your business. This could involve social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. Tips for success. Here are a few tips for success when starting a Cricut business. 1. Create high-quality products. Your products should be well-made and professional-looking. Offer a wide range of products. This will help you to appeal to a wider range of customers. 2. Price your products competitively. Do some research to see what other Cricut businesses are charging for similar products. 3. Provide excellent customer service. Be responsive to customer inquiries and go the extra mile to make your customers happy. 4. Market your business effectively. Make sure people know about your business and the products you sell. Additional information. In addition to the information above, here are some additional tips for starting a successful Cricut business. Find a mentor. If you know someone who already has a successful Cricut business, reach out to them and ask for their mentorship. They can give you valuable advice and support. Take classes and workshops. There are many classes and workshops available that can teach you how to use your Cricut machine and create different products. Join online communities. There are many online communities where Cricut business owners can connect, share ideas, and support each other. Attend trade shows and craft fairs. This is a great way to network with other Cricut business owners and potential customers. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try new things and see what works best for you. The more you experiment, the more creative and innovative your products will be. Example products you can create and sell. Here are a few examples of products you can create and sell with your Cricut machine. 1. Custom t-shirts, mugs, and other apparel. 2. Handmade jewelry. 3. Home decor items such as wall art, signs, and pillows. 4. Personalized gifts such as wedding favors, baby shower gifts, and birthday gifts. 5. Party supplies such as cake toppers, banners, and invitations. Office supplies such as labels, pens, and notebooks. 6. Stickers and decals. 7. Paper crafts such as cards, invitations, and scrapbook pages. Starting a Cricut business is a great way to turn your passion for crafting into a profitable business. If you're willing to put in the work, you can be successful. So what are you waiting for? Get started today.